Where's your mom? Are you lost, baby girl? Come on, baby girl. Ay nako, halo eh, tambukan na po eh. Police again, police. See? Overspeeding. Overspeeding. Everyone's in a hurry now. My God. So we are now in Regina. That's all my cars there. Nakapark lang siya. That's mine there too. Oh, look at my boyfriend. Hey, dude. Hello. Mega love shout out. Oh, he heard me. Ah, he's looking at me. We're entering the city of Regina. We're not allowed to travel though, but we have to come here. Shoutout na ko si Batang Sibuog, si Lawi Swiss channel. That's what they drove to get their camel. Yung mga camel nila muna lang gamiton. Are you lost?
Supper, huh?
No. Is it a duck? Really? It doesn't look like a duck.
Geese.
A geese. Where's your peers? Okay. Have a good day. We have to go now, Ducky. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. What building are this one?
University.
Oh, these are University of Regina.
One of them, yeah.
I hate studying.
This is where they make all the decisions for the province. All the lockdowns.
Oh, really? I want to go inside. Are we allowed?
You can take tours.
Oh, I don't think so.
Not right up now with COVID, but we can. Yeah, kayaking.
I want to have one.
I did that before.
You did?
Where? In the Philippines?
Remember, Mommy, when I asked you?
Oh, did you? See, he's taking a video. Look at this sweet couples. See, they're just touring around. It must be nice.
Well, let's tour around one.
No, I don't want to. Let's go home.
You wanna-
Kelsey, you want to go down?
No,
Because I don't want to go down.
Not with coronavirus right now, Kelsey. Wait till it gets better. Then we can go for a walk.
the fourth one today.
Who's that guy?
That's why I don't drive in a highway, because I will overspeed and I don't want to pay ticket. I got no money. I have no money, right, baby Kelsey? I
Please
have
donate. Donate. Send to her.
Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.